In the ever-evolving manufacturing landscape, the timely availability of materials is paramount to meeting customer demands. Acumatica, with its comprehensive range of features, provides you with the tools to optimize your procurement and production processes. In this brief video, we will highlight how Acumatica empowers you to make informed decisions about what to buy and make and when. Efficient inventory management hinges on well-defined inventory replenishment settings. Within Acumatica, you can establish minimum and maximum inventory levels, minimum order quantities, and leverage economic order quantities. These features are included to automate replenishment suggestions, ensuring adequate stock to meet demand while also preventing high carrying costs. Additionally, minimum order quantities and vendor economic order quantities fulfill supplier requirements and ensure that you can take advantage of economies of scale. These replenishment settings are dynamic and can even be managed at the warehouse level, which we find to be crucial for companies with several manufacturing locations. These settings enable you to strike the ideal balance between stock availability, cost efficiency, and supply chain optimization, ensuring smooth operations and customer satisfaction. A bill of materials serves as a critical tool in the manufacturing process, and Acumatica ERP offers robust features for effective BOM creation and management. With a BOM, you can define the routing structure and components required to assemble your finished goods. BOMs can be multi-level, easily allowing you to view all sub-assemblies required. Since the BOM defines material and labor components, you can easily view planned BOM costs, providing critical information for your sales team. If you identify a faulty component or something that can no longer be purchased, Acumatica's mass change functionality makes it easy to mass update all BOMs with the relevant component. By maintaining accurate and up-to-date BOMs in Acumatica, you establish a clear roadmap for production and enable seamless material planning. Acumatica's MRP engine utilizes BOM data and demand signals, such as sales orders and forecasts, to generate precise requirements for materials. This ensures timely procurement or production of materials in the right quantities, streamlining your production process and minimizing stockouts or excess inventory. From the MRP view, you can sort and filter on any parameter, such as vendor, and then easily generate purchase, production, and transfer orders. In cases where specific materials have long lead times or require special procurement considerations, Acumatica's MRP can identify these items and generate suggestions for long lead purchasing. By initiating procurement activities well in advance, you can ensure availability of necessary materials and mitigate potential delays. For enhanced production floor optimization, Acumatica offers advanced production scheduling features that consider machine and work center capacity. With Acumatica's finite production scheduling capabilities, you can effectively manage complex production scenarios, prioritize jobs, and allocate resources effectively. In addition to great visibility into scheduling, Acumatica's no-code dashboard design capabilities allow each team member to build the data views they require with ease. With live data and automated notifications, nothing will fall through the cracks. Acumatica is a true end-to-end solution for all areas of your manufacturing business. With unlimited user licensing, your entire team can benefit from the anywhere, anytime accessibility and leverage robust inventory management, MRP, purchasing, and production management capabilities. If you're interested in learning more about how we're leveraging Acumatica to improve the operational effectiveness of our manufacturing customers, please contact our team. We'd love to hear from you.